Tanzania.
Gucci, okay.
Yes.
It looks like you love Gucci. It's LV anyway. Sometimes footwear school after XXL. Okay. Hi my girls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this episode of what everyone is wearing, I traveled to Oslo city to bring you guys this beautiful episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a beautiful summer day. Everybody was out having fun, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. I love you all. Bye guys. Bye.
Like this?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Yes, my name is Bijou. I'm from Tanzania. I live here. Yes. What I'm wearing now is my own brand.
Wow.
It's handmade, made in Tanzania.
Wow, nice.
So it's one of the most popular bestseller two pieces.
Yeah. Is that two piece?
Yes.
Serious? I thought it was a jumpsuit.
No, it's not a jumpsuit. But people they think it's a jumpsuit.
Yeah, I thought it was a jumpsuit.
So it's two pieces. It's handmade by myself, the creative designer, and the bag is Gucci, and the shoes is
Hermes.
Yeah.
Where did you get your bag?
I bought it at Gucci here.
Gucci here, okay.
Yes.
And the MS here,
yeah,
okay.
here,
You don't go to France or
No, now they have a store here, so you can just walk in and buy.
yeah. Your glasses is from
They are from Gucci as well.
Gucci, okay.
Yes.
It looks like you love Gucci.
Yeah, I love Gucci.
Yeah. Your earring handmade?
My earring is from Norwegian jewelry
Brand.
Yeah. It's from jewelry brand.
Okay.
Actually, those are my wedding earring.
Wow,
I
they
wore
are
them
beautiful.
on my wedding in
Yeah.
2018.
Yeah.
And I love them. That's
Yeah, congratulations.
simple, and I can wear them every day.
Yeah. I love your hair color too.
Thank you.
Yeah. And you're having your coffee.
Yes, always. So I'm going to work. I still have I'm working. I still have 25 minutes, and I don't work from far from here.
Okay.
Just the same street as Gucci, and so I see the store every day. So it's easy for me to go and buy.
Yeah. Thank you so much to Santa for stopping.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hada. Thank you.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So my girls, I call this kind of street walk street, meaning the pedestrian street. And on this street you can find most of the luxurious store here in the capital of Norway, Oslo. And it's a nice day, a very bright, sunny midsummer day. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful video I created with so much love for you guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yeah. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't mine, I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
So guys, while I'm also shooting what everyone is wearing, I want to go to, yesterday I went to the first Zara shop here, so I want to go to the second Zara shop. It will be opening in 3 minutes, and okay, I can barata. Yeah.
Can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be.
There go, Brad. To Santa. Yeah. I know your bag is LV anyway. So
you have a YouTube channel, can I?
Yeah. Santa. Had a pin bag. Had a. Vaduha posei, kache maka la degubra.
Jeg har på meg denne her T-skjorta fra Zara.
Zara, okay.
Zara. Denne hvite skjørtet fra Big Box.
Big Box, yeah.
Big Box,
Yeah.
riktig. Og så tror jeg skoene fra XXL.
Okay, XXL.
Løpesko.
Yeah. Og vasken din.
Og vesken, den kjøpte jeg i utlandet. På
Okay.
et marked.
Market. Okay.
Så det er litt usikker.
Yeah. Tusen takk.
Bare hyggelig.
Yeah.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.